Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pho broth from scratch. First, you'll want to prepare your beef bones by blanching them for about 10 minutes, then rinsing thoroughly. Next, gather your essential spices like star anise, cinnamon, and cloves. Don't forget to char your onions and ginger until they are nicely browned and aromatic. These initial steps are crucial for developing that deep, authentic pho flavor. Once your bones, spices, and aromatics are in the pot, cover them with about 6 to 8 quarts of water. Let this simmer gently for at least 6 to 8 hours, or even longer for a richer flavor. Remember to consistently skim off any foam that rises to the top. This ensures a clear, beautiful broth. Towards the end, balance the flavors with a tablespoon or 2 of rock sugar and a 1/4 cup of good quality fish sauce. After simmering, carefully strain your broth through a fine mesh sieve to remove all solids, leaving you with a perfectly clear liquid. Now is the time to taste and adjust the seasonings. You might want a little more salt, a touch more sugar, or an extra splash of fish sauce to achieve your ideal balance. Serve this incredible broth piping hot over rice noodles, thinly sliced beef, and a generous array of fresh herbs. To enjoy your delicious pho broth later, allow it to cool completely before transferring it to airtight containers. It will keep well in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days. For longer storage, consider freezing individual portions. It can last up to 3 months, making future pho nights a breeze. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.